So I've come out to Keyhaven. It's very windy. I still haven't got a proper camera mic. I'm using my GoPro still, but I'm just waiting on something. But more will be revealed on that when the time comes. So I've come to Keyhaven. I hope you can hear me with this wind. And I'm looking for colours, but isolated colours. So obviously lots of colours here. I'm trying to find a dull scene with a splash of colour in it. I'm just here with my normal, what's becoming my regular kit, I guess. It's just the Fuji X100VI because it's easy. All I've got is this and the GoPro, and it's so much easier. There's less barriers to filming and doing what I want to do. So I'm so sorry about the wind. Perhaps most of this video will be voiceovers because I can't rely on this wind. But anyway, let's see what we can get. It won't all be just splashes of colour. If I see something else I like, I will take that too. Yeah, initially, that's my aim. Trying to do today is to find that colour splash in a grey scene and accentuate it a bit, make it stand out, and I think I may have gone a bit too far with this one. Okay, so I think I've lost sight or track of what I'm supposed to be doing. I've just come back to the van to have a rethink because it's very cold and I'm just not feeling it. I've got a couple of photos that you've seen, and I think I forgot why I came out, and I think that I need to just reset, and I'm going to go back out and walk around the harbour. The marina, or not, it's not even the marina, the harbour area is not as it's not as big as I first thought. And there's not really many places where you can wander. Signs everywhere saying that there's access only for members and stuff like that. So just trying to walk around where I can. I'm hungry, so I'll come back for a snack. My eyes are watering. The temperature must be, I don't know, it says 11, but I have a feeling it's more like, I don't know, it feels like 5 or 6 with the wind, especially out on the coastal path. So I'm back at the van. What's made it even worse, I'm hungry, and there's a pub begun in just there. I think they must be getting ready for lunch because I can smell what looks like bacon. It looks like or smells like bacon. So I've just come to warm up, my fingers in particular. I've got about an hour left on the car park. I'm not going to extend it any longer than that. And I'm going to head back out again and see if I can. It's not about getting a typical photo with foreground background, in foreground subjects, leading lines. What I'm looking for, and I need to keep reminding myself that I'm looking for a scene with one splash of colour in it, one object, a buoy, a sign, a ring, a boat, a hull of a boat, a flower, something like that. I know I've taken one or two when I got my mind back in focus again, and so it's things like this that I'm going to put on the screen now that I'm looking for. So let me sit here eating my lovely grapes as the smell of what appears to be freshly cooked bacon wafts through the air, and then I'll head back out and see what else I can get. And I started to engage my brain, and I think I had a bit more success in the second half of my time here. I don't know, I'll let you be the judge. And in case you're wondering, this photo that I took here didn't work, so this is not it. Here is my favourite of the day. I like how I didn't go overboard, pardon the pun. On the editing, the angle of the boats is pleasing, just enough colour pop. I like that editing of the whole photo, and it's pretty much what I was looking for today. A grey day with a splash of colour. Thanks for watching, see you next time.